look at this beauty. This is called a Perini Navi, Italian boat. She's 136 feet on the water line, so I gotta figure she's close to 150 feet in total length. Obviously a catch rig with roller furling main and roller furling aft sail as well. This baby is an absolute beauty. So we looked it up and we learned it was owned by the Firestone family, and today on the market probably around $70 million. This is an absolute beauty. Come on, we'll have a look at the aft as well. So here's the aft part of the boat. Absolutely beautiful. You can see a little bit of the bridge deck as well. And in the aft, of course, we have a huge area of cockpit for your lounging purposes. Notice the two fighting chairs, fish fighting chairs on the transom back there. Absolutely stunning, this boat.